Hey everyone, this video is inspired from Stephen Pope's most recent video about the review counts, and I'm not 100% sure if this is the actual issue that is causing the discrepancy in the data, but I think it might. I'm 90% sure, but Amazon really likes to do stuff like this where there's just this really cool button here that asks, well, how do they work? And you can give this a quick read and pause this video if you'd like, but overall, they do not do a simple weighted average or like a percentage breakdown. They use their artificial intelligence in their system and basically analyze the reviews to verify trustworthiness, and they weight different reviews differently. And so if someone has left a bunch of 5-star reviews in the past and then on your product they left a 1 star, that's probably going to have a different weight compared to someone who leaves 1 stars on everything, or someone who's might be linked to another seller who then gave you a 1 star. They might flag that and then not actually have that review post. So they have many different things that they're trying to do to avoid black hat tactics. And overall, I don't know how much uh, I don't know how much of an influence this has on the current or the previous video, but I think it might be able to provide some clarity, and that clarity is Amazon's unclear. So hopefully that helps. Thank you. Take care.